Hello friends, I want you to listen carefully to this message. Because this might be the most important video you watch on this channel. Not because I am special, but because of one fact that nobody can escape. You, me, billionaires, athletes, world leaders, every single one of us has only 24 hours in a day. The difference is not in the number of hours we get. The difference is in how we use them. Some people use those hours to create businesses, achieve greatness, learn skills, and build their future. And some people waste the same hours scrolling, complaining, and waiting for motivation that never comes. That's why this video is dangerous. Because once you understand this truth, you can't lie to yourself anymore. You'll never be able to say "I don't have time" again. The truth is, you're not stuck. You're just too comfortable wasting your hours. But if you're here, I know something about you. Deep down, you don't want to waste your life. You want to be more, do more, create more. And that starts with one simple thing: respecting your 24 hours. So today, I'll share with you 10 powerful ways to use your day like the most successful people in the world. These are not tips you'll forget in 5 minutes, they are principles that can change the way you see time, forever. It begins with your nights. Most people lose their mornings because they went to bed without a plan. Don't do that. Before you sleep, take 5 minutes to write down your 3 most important tasks for tomorrow. Not 10, just 3. When you wake up, you'll already know what matters most. And when you wake up, protect your first hour. Don't grab your phone, don't start with noise. Use those 60 minutes for yourself. Sit in silence, breathe, move your body, write something down. If you win your morning, you win your day. Next, focus on one big task each day. Stop drowning in busyness. Choose one high-impact task, the thing that truly moves you closer to your dream, and finish it no matter what. Even if the rest of the day is messy, that one task will make you feel powerful. You also need to guard your growth hours. After work or school, most people still have 4 to 6 hours left, but they waste them on endless scrolling. Use those hours to study, practice, build, or create. Those are the hours that decide who you'll become in 5 years. And here's the truth: your phone is not the problem. The problem is how you use it. Stop consuming mindless content and replace it with intentional learning. Watch something educational, listen to a podcast, read a few pages, learn 5 new words. Small choices every day become big results tomorrow. Remember this too: a still body creates a tired mind. Move daily, even for 15 minutes. Walk, stretch, exercise, dance, whatever it takes. When you move your body, you reset your brain. Another secret: learn to say no. Every time you say yes to gossip, distractions, or useless tasks, you are saying no to your dreams. Protect your time and energy like treasure. Saying no isn't rude. It's respect for your future. Also, don't forget to pause. You are not a robot. Build small breaks into your day. A few minutes of silence in the morning, a 10-minute reset in the afternoon, and a calm moment before you sleep. Even lions rest before they hunt. So should you. And speaking of sleep, treat it like preparation, not escape. If your nights are chaotic, your days will be weak. Put your phone away, calm your mind, and rest deeply. Great sleep is not laziness. It's your secret weapon. Finally, success is not about one lucky day. It's about repeating strong days again and again. Design one powerful day, live it with intention, and then repeat it. One great day repeated 100 times will build a life you're proud of. So remember this: every second you waste is stolen from your future self. But every second you use with intention is a gift that changes your life. You already have 24 hours, the same as the most successful people on earth. The question is, will you waste them, or will you use them to build the life you dream of? The choice is yours.